Hey guys, just a quick little unboxing here. Got my package in the mail from Amazon. I ordered it a short time ago. And what's in here should make my job easier. Working on the old stuff that I work on. Oh, there we go. Got myself an ultrasonic cleaner for cleaning carburetors and small parts. It's should be a 2.5 liter version. It's big enough for doing carburetors. Can't do enormous things in there, but 2.5 liters should do it. This one's got a heated tank. That really helps speed up the process of cleaning carburetors and junk out. Now, a lot of people wonder what to use in these things. I'm going to use it for probably a few different things, but primarily carburetors. So what I'm going to put in there is just carburetor cleaner. Clean Flow makes some, Gunk makes some. Basket's big enough for small carbs. Yeah, should be good. It's about 140 bucks. There are much more expensive ones. There's bigger ones, more expensive ones. I don't think I need all that. For the amount I'm going to use it. So, I know I have a little bit of cleaner left in my 1 gallon can. So we're going to plug this animal in. There it is. Let me grab that cleaner. This is the stuff I'm using here. It's Clean Flow. Carbon metal parts cleaner. This stuff stinks. It smells like old black magic markers. But usually with cleaners, the worse they smell, the better they work. Yeah, there wasn't much left in this can. This wasn't a full can. I do have a 1 gallon paint can that I have been soaking in. So we'll probably end up just taking more out of this. Topping up the sonic cleaner. Homemade parts tray, parts can here. Soaking it works pretty good, just to soak it in this fluid. But if you've got an ultrasonic, what could take days by soaking, you can probably get done in minutes in the ultrasonic. So let's pour a little bit of that in there. We'll get it up to the max line. And it's leaking all over the bench. We'll leave it there. Just below the max line. And we'll see how that works. Of course, I don't read instructions. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to get this thing working. So I've had the heater on, and it's starting to warm up. It takes quite a bit. The heater element is not overly strong in this unit. So I've got this old little 2-stroke piston. It's got some junk on the side of it. I'm just going to throw that in there for 8 minutes and see what happens. I took a scraper and just took the loose carbon off the top. There's no sense getting the carb cleaner dirty for nothing. Anything that was loose that would come off, I took off easy. I'll drop that in there and run it for 8 minutes, which is the maximum setting on this little unit, and we'll see what happens. Pop her in there, and set it 480 seconds. Turn it on. Let's see what happens. We'll come back after that runs through. Okay, there we go. 480 seconds, 8 minutes. Let's see what's going on with that little piston. Oh, it's warm. And the carbon is missing now off of this side. You can see actually, yep, you can just pick it up in the camera. There's a very clean spot there. The very clean spot is where the carbon was. The other side still has some black on it. The wrist pin's a lot looser than it was. Ring grooves are looser. I'll throw it back in for another 8 minutes and see what happens. Okay, we'll see what happens when we come back. Got a lot of action in that tub. Okay, let's have a look here. These bubbles, you see it coming up over here. That is from the heater. The fluid is quite warm now. It does take a while to heat up. It's a small heater, but if you've got the cleaner actually working, it tends to heat the fluid up a little better, a little faster. Oh, there! Look at that. About half the carbon that was on there has come off. The other side is spotless now. Missing a lot of chunks of carbon here. It's not bad. It's only a few minutes. It's not a high power cleaner. Piston rings are perfectly free now. There are commercial sonic cleaners that are a lot stronger than this. They do a little faster job. They heat up faster. But for the amount that I'm going to use them, it's doing small carbs here and there. It's not. I'm not doing it every single day. I don't need a great big unit. Of course, it'd be nice to have, but the cost is a consideration there. This one being about $145 or something like that. The bigger units going for $200, $300, $400, $500. It's just that I can't justify that cost here. Not just tinkering around in the garage. Anyways, I'm going to shut this down. There's no sense cleaning this. This is just a junk piston anyways. I just wanted to see how it would do. Pretty good. Pretty good job. I think this cleaner is going to come in handy for a lot of my projects here. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. I'll shut this one down and we'll catch you in the next one.